Everybody loves a good finale, and today we're closing the Partners in Cream project pan. And we're starting with this water-activated gel liner from Glisten Cosmetics in the shade Oranged. My goal was to use it 10 times. Last update I had used it 5 times and I've used it 5 more times, so it's a goal met. And I have all the 5 looks to show you in pictures. In the first look, I'm wearing the liner with orange glitters on my lid and the gloss that's also in this project. In this look, I'm using the liner in a turquoise and coral eye look, and I'm wearing the Nectar lipstick that's also in this project, and you'll recognize it in a lot of pictures. Next, I'm wearing the liner in an all silver look, and here it's in a black look that for some reason looks like a dark navy on the picture. And in this look, I'm wearing it as a double liner with the purple eyeliner pencil that's also in this project. Next we have this Dazzle Gloss from L'Oreal in the shade Disco Ball. Last month I was at 8 uses, so I needed to use it 7 more times to reach my goal of 15 uses, and I've used it 9 times, so I'm above the 15 uses, and it's the second goal met in this finale. The next item is the last product with a usage goal, and after that we're jumping onto the product that I wanted to finish entirely. So, introduced last update was this LA Girl eyeliner pencil in the shade Sequins. I had a goal of 10 uses on this one and I've used it 10 times, so it's our third goal met today, and I have a lot of looks to show you. Here I'm wearing it as a liner with a purple look. Here I'm using it in a pink eye look. In this eye look I'm wearing it as a liner on top of blue eyeshadows, so it looks cooler than on other pictures. There it's used in a warm greenish brown eye look. In this orange eye look I'm wearing it as a liner and in my waterline. There I'm wearing it in my waterline in a warm eye look. Here's another look where I'm wearing it in my waterline, this time with a teal and purple eye look. And lastly, I'm wearing it in my waterline with a lilac eye look. Next we have the Bullet lipstick from e.l.f. that has been in the project from the beginning. It's in the shade Nectar. My goal was to finish it, meaning using everything that was accessible without digging in the component. I've used it a ton this last month. I've used it 20 times on my lips and 31 times as a cream blush, and in total in this project I've used it 200 times, and this is how it looks now. So sure, it could be flatter, but I say it's good enough and I'm calling it a win and another goal met. I'm very pleased to have used it a lot before it really goes bad. It still smells on the verge of going bad, but it doesn't smell worse than what it was smelling like at the beginning of the year. So I think I'm gonna keep it in my collection to use it as a cream blush, but I know for a fact that I won't be using it for a hot minute because I've used it a lot, and I'm very bored with it at the moment. I did exactly what I said last time. To be able to use more of this product, I stopped using the other cream blush in this project. Before I was often using a mix of both on my cheeks, so to use more of this product I left this one aside. And when I say aside, I really mean it. I've used it once since the last update, and as you can see, it's not finished at all. But before I depotted it, I used it a lot as a liquid lipstick, and I also used it a good bit as a cream blush. So I'm pleased with my progress, even though I didn't reach my goal on this one. It's pretty dry now, so it's a bit difficult to apply and to blend on the cheek, but I'm gonna keep it in my collection because I like the shade, which is funny because before I have this product in projects I didn't like the shade. I thought that it was too dark for me and that it made me look sick, but now I love it. So the Ciate X Liquid lipstick in the shade Pin Up stays in my collection. And the last product is this concealer from The Ordinary. My goal was to finish it. I've used it 31 times since the last update. I've used it 174 times in this project, and since it has been opened, I've used it 519 times, and it still is not finished, so it's coming with me in 2025. Thanks for coming along. Remember that there are the playlist and the creators of the project's channels linked below if you want to see more. Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday!